Back to School with Eyewitness News is sponsored by Porter and Chester Institute, career training for today's jobs.
Well, good morning, everyone. It's time to stop for school bus safety. Now that school is back in session, we'll all be sharing the road with school buses. And did you know that in Connecticut, over 330,000 children take the school bus yearly? That's right. Here's what you need to know. So here's what you need to know. Now, by law, any driver approaching a school bus must stop their vehicle at least 10 feet from the front or the rear of the bus until it no longer displays its signals, which may include the retractable stop sign on the school bus driver's side. This also includes drivers from turning toward a school bus during that same time period of boarding or departing the bus. Now, let's take a look at example 1. Driving on a two-way street with no divider or barrier, traffic in both directions must stop at least 10 feet in front or behind the school bus and must wait for all signals to be off before proceeding. Here's another example. Driving on multi-lane roads with no divider or barrier or with a bi-directional turn lane, all lanes must stop and follow the same procedure from the example I just stated. Now, the last example I want to show you shows the only time drivers traveling in the opposite direction of the bus stop are not required to stop. It's if there's a raised divider, median, or barrier between the traffic. And a good rule of thumb to remember, if you're behind a school bus, you are always required to stop when their safety signals to stop are on. Another great tip, always pay attention for children darting to catch their bus or running off the school bus. Now, if you do not obey the flashing lights and signals, be prepared to pay. Failing to stop for a school bus is a violation of Connecticut General Statute Section 14-279 and comes with a hefty fine of up to $500 for a first offense. And that fine can reach up to $1,000 for a second offense, along with a potential 30-day jail sentence. Now, let's be mindful of our school buses and their precious cargo. You'll find more helpful tips and the complete breakdown of fines on our app, and they're pretty hefty, you guys. You can go to WFSB.com too.